We have a brand new feature, and it goes like this. I'm really digging the intro. I'm loving the music.
I know. It don't go on for long enough for me, to be honest.
It catches you up by surprise, like.
Yeah.
So basically, our new feature is called On the Streets. So due to COVID, gentlemen, our youth clubs have been closed. So we are struggling to see young people. So obviously over lockdown, we've done lots of online projects, etc. This is where YEPS TV sort of spawned from as well. But obviously with lockdown in youth clubs closed, we decided to hit the streets. So we were doing some outreach work on the streets in our towns. Well, we've done it for what, 2 weeks, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, 2 weeks.
And then obviously local lockdown happened, and then we had to stop doing that. So this was going to be us going live to our youth workers on the streets in different towns, in your area, places close to you guys are watching. But obviously we can't do that, right? So you're probably thinking, where's this going, Les? Because we can't go to the streets. So what I thought was, boys, right, that I would go live and set up webcams in our staff houses.
No way.
Amazing.
Oh, actually in there, like.
Yeah.
Oh.
So I've had our partner, the partners or parents or whoever, dogs, cats, to set up webcams while our staff are out, right? So I've got 3 staff members who don't know I'm going to their houses now.
Watch.
I know.
Oh, I'm glad I'm on here and I'm not.
I know. But there's nothing to be worried about because obviously we're really professional people, and I would say 99.9% of our staff are probably doing some revision, researching youth work, working out how to do brilliant youth work with young people. So I think we'll be fine.
Yeah.
Well, let's find out.
Should we find out?
Let's find out.
First one I got, right? She's obviously clearly not watching because I can see her by her. Naomi. Ready?
Oh, go on then.
Here we go. What is going on here? James, this is crazy. What you got on her face? Look at her hair. Cucumbers on the eyes. And what music is she listening to? Naomi. Oh God, she's coming. Cancel the feed.
I mean, sorry.
Is that real?
That unbelievable.
Maybe this doesn't work. Maybe this doesn't work.
Well, us 3 are working hard. Naomi's obviously having a pamper evening. So
crazy. Anyway, let's. I hope nobody's watched that. I tell you what, let's go to Christy. Christy's really sensible.
She's always working hard.
Yeah, definitely be working hard and doing something. Ready?
Yeah.
I hope so.
I'm ready. Was too much, wasn't it? I think we need to go on the slower setting. Oh.
What's happening? I thought that was staff are like really like professional. They should be like on the streets now, but clearly not doing a lot, are they? I thought they'd be revising or they'd be like doing research into new projects.
The pancakes.
I don't know what she's cooking, but there's only half of it still over the kitchen.
It is.
Poor child was like screaming, "That's enough, mommy! That's enough!" Crazy.
No.
Honestly, I don't think they. We should trust these lot. Anyway, I tell you what, we'll do one more, right? And this guy's definitely going to save us.
Who we got?
We got probably one of the most respected, responsible men in our service, Mr. Ryan Strong.
He'd be fine. He'd be good.
Yeah,
I don't know if we should risk it though.
Yeah, let's go. Let's see it.
Where is it?
He'd be good.
Here we are. Last one then. I hope this works now. James, what's he doing? Is that Lee on the screen? I know they're good friends, but anyway, I'm going to go live to his room a minute. Ready? Enjoying yourself today, Roy?
Oh, James, Les, how are you doing, boys? Everything's super, eh?
You're live, right?
Wednesday night tonight, YEPS TV. I was just watching some normal Wednesday night television.
Love the teddy, bro.
Anyway, good luck tonight, boys. Hope it goes well. I'll catch you soon.
I mean, to be honest, that is probably what I expected him to be doing.
Yeah, that's Ryan's spare time in a nutshell.
Absolutely, fair play. Fair play. Right?
Okay, so
Didn't Teddy have Lee's face off?
the Teddy
He
had
did.
Lee's face on it.
Which is borderline probably inappropriate. So
I wonder if
think we'll
Lee knows.
it's a good job. It's a good job from next month on that we will be going live to workers who are actually out and about, working hard, meeting young people.
I think that's absolutely crazy. I literally did not expect that to happen. I thought they'd all be really professional, sitting around with their paperwork, doing all the paperwork off for the managers in the morning.
Yeah.
Absolutely shocking.
Need to have a word with them.
Absolutely shocking. Everybody's like, look at that. We just made a mockery of our service there, haven't we?
Laughing stuff.
Unbelievable. Unbelievable.
Unbelievable. There we are. Anyway, quickly moving on.